everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Is my hair I don't know if my hair is having a very good moment today. I had to air dry it because I just took a shower and I wasn't really sure what to do with it, and I realized that I look better in videos when my hair is down, but yeah, I figured that I might as well look good, right? You know, am I right? But today's video is gonna be this look right here. I used no foundation, no spots concealing, no anything in this look. And it's generally a very low maintenance, low coverage look, but of course we have this very colorful eye with a little bit of a wing going on and a very glossy lip. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. It took a while to film. I am not gonna lie, I thought that this video was gonna turn into a hot mess because this look was not looking good, okay? 30 minutes ago, it was not looking good, but I saved it, I think, I hope. But that is pretty much what this video is going to be about. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but if you want to see how to create this look, then of course, keep on watching. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Coloured Raine palette, and I'm going in first with this color called Drip Drop. This is a matte. And I'm using a very small brush because I want some precision and because all my brushes are dirty and I haven't washed them in a while. I know, I'm terrible. But I think I'm just gonna I think I want to just pack this color into the inner portion of my eyelid and just go from there and see what happens. I haven't used this color before, I don't think. I've swatched this in my swatch party, but I don't think I actually use it on my eyes, and it is quite a beautiful shade. And then I'm going to take the small baby crease brush right here, and I'm going to pick up the color Cute, and this is going to go into my crease area. Okay, actually, no, scratch that. I think I'll go instead, let me just clean this off on the palm of my hand. I think I'll go instead with this color called Jet Set. So scratch that, and I'm going to basically be using the color Jet Set to blend out the edges of this blue. So I'm pretty much dragging this color into my crease area and kind of using windshield wiper motions to deposit the color quite evenly throughout. And then I think I want to go back into the color Cute because I do like it, but now I want to apply it just to my crease area, kind of on top of that blue, and just mesh it in a little bit. And then I want to take another brush and just go into this color called Unbothered. Now I haven't ever used this on my eyes. I don't think this is my first time using this particular color, and I'm going to apply it into my outer corner. And then I think I want to go in with that little crease brush and just diffuse the color out further with that purple. Now what I want to do is I want to go into this color called Crushin', and I want to apply this right between that rusty rosewood color and then that blue color. So I'm just gonna apply this with my finger. Honestly, with this look, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just experimenting. And I don't know if it's a good idea to put this orange with the blue, but we're just gonna continue. This might turn into an actual freak show, but I have hope. I still have hope. I'm a very hopeful person. Okay, so I'm using my middle finger to apply the color, and then my ring finger to blend it out. Blend it out. I can't speak English. So I'm gonna try and blend out the blue and the orange together, which may or may not work. So I'm gonna be gentle. I'm gonna be hopeful. I'm gonna say a quick prayer, and I'm going to dip into this color called Jet Set. And I think that I'm just gonna use it to blend out the borders of those two colors and hope for the best. I'm just gonna tap it in between the two shades. We shall see if this works out. So I think I'm going to cross my fingers and pick up this orange color. Okay, this bright orange color called Splash. And I think I'm just gonna apply this again to the border between the orangey shades and between the blue. I'm essentially just tapping the color on, and then I'm going to use my finger to try and blend some things out. I feel like this is turning into a little bit of a crash course on what to do if your eyeshadow look is turning into doo-doo. So if your eyeshadow look is turning into doo-doo and you have absolutely no idea what to do and you feel like your talent is non-existent and you don't know what to do with that back because you still want to continue with the look but you don't know how to make it look good, use a glitter on top and it will literally make you look so much better at makeup than you actually are. That's why I use glitter. There, I've said it. That's my dirty little secret. Okay, so I'm using this Lemonhead LA Spacepaste, and you guys saw in my favorites videos and in a few tutorials that I've been doing lately that I've been loving this Spacepaste in adult film. And what's nice about this is that like it's very sheer, but then when you put it on top of like colorful shadows, it kind of takes on the appearance of the shadow that you're wearing. It's a really cool effect. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. I featured this a lot on my Instagram, which by the way, if you don't already follow, you probably should. I try and post often, but that's where you see a lot of makeup looks that I tend to do on here, but I usually like to post previews on my Instagram, and I also do Instagram stories where I post like updates about videos and YouTube and all that stuff. So basically I'm going to be taking this on my ring finger, and I'm going to be tapping this right between the blue and the orange. And let's see if this makes me look better at makeup. What do you know? That actually is a vast improvement. Okay, I'm actually proud of myself. I've managed to turn this from a look that looked like awful mess, but now this look looks relatively wearable. I feel like I want to intensify the orange of this look by dipping into the color Splash, and I feel like I want to add this like just on top of that outer corner area so it looks a little bit less like puke. I want to go into Neo Blue, which I've used several times and I really do like, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. I don't want to do any foundation today, by the way. I don't know if I've said that before. But I don't want to do any foundation today. You guys know if you watch my channel how much I love ditching foundation every now and then. And in today's video, I want to do just that, which is why I'm going directly into my lower lash line and not actually doing foundation. Oh gosh, I just rubbed my eyeshadow accidentally. My camera stopped recording. That happens a lot. But then I had to get it started again, and that took a while. But, needless to say, I have finished my under eye area. Actually, I think I want to go in with that same brush and just use the residue of the product to kind of diffuse the edges a little bit. I don't know if this will turn out well or not, but I hope it will, because I really want to, like, extend the blue and make it a little more blown out. I used to be so insecure about my under eye circles. I've mentioned this several times on this channel, but yeah, I was like super insecure about my under eye circles, but now honestly I use my under eye circles as a guide for doing my lower lash line with eyeshadow, because like it's just kind of like I have like this line like right here and I can sort of use it to help me with my eyeshadow. That makes no sense, I know, but like I literally use my under eye circles as a guide for my eyeshadow sometimes. And I'm just going to take a fan brush and fluff out the fallout, because this pigment does have a little bit of fallout, especially in the way that I use it, which is very heavily. So naturally, I need to fix that because, you know, that's me being a good YouTuber. So I'm gonna go in with some winged liner right now because I feel like this look can use some winged liner, and I'm not gonna film this part because it's gonna take a while and my camera is filling up really fast and I don't want the camera to stop again, because then I will lose my mind. So I'm going to go and do my winged liner, and then I'll be right back right back soon. I'll be back soon.
One debt to society later.
Let me tell you guys that a great way to fix your makeup is by applying a winged liner. You will be surprised at how easy it is to fix a makeup look when you have a winged liner on. That is my other secret. Winged liner. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara as well to my top lash line, so we can get prepped for lashes in just a sec. For lip liner, I'm kicking it old school with the Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. You guys know how much I love this stuff. I've gone through like, what, 5 pencils already? It's pretty legendary. And then on top, I'm using my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fenty Glow. I feel like this entire look is quite low maintenance, which I really do like. I mean, I think that I actually do want to do like a little bit of like contour on my face, or contour slash bronzer on my face, even though I don't have any foundation, just because I want to balance this look out a bit. So I'm just using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I know this looks kind of out of order, but when are my videos ever organized, honestly? And then for my inner corner, I want to dip into this palette right here. And I believe that the color that I really want to use is like this icy pink color. I'm just like using this palette because the Coloured Raine one doesn't have any like shimmers I can use for my inner corner or any like kind of metallic shimmers. So I'm just going to use like this pink color and just dab it into the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my false lashes, and the false lashes that I'm using today are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights.
And then some lower lash mascara, and we're doing lower lash mascara. Lower lash mascara, lower lash mascara.
So that, my friends, is the end of this no foundation. Like, there's literally nothing covering my face at all. Like, sometimes I usually do like a little bit of spot concealing. Today I didn't do that whatsoever, so this is a full face without foundation, without pretty much any face makeup except for a little bit of bronzer, as you guys saw. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I guess like this sort of like mini kind of tip video on how to save a look when it's like looks like there's no saving it. There's always something you can do to save a look, and I just give you guys like, I guess, a few of my tips. Did I? I feel like I did. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. The review, I was gonna say tutorial. The review for this is coming super soon. I feel like I've tried every single shadow in here. I have to look back at my footage and see if I've missed anything, and if so, I'm just going to use it like on my own and see if I need to like just like, I don't know, rethink my opinions on it. But I'm almost done with this palette, and I'm going to be doing a review with it, and I also have some other plans for it as well, which you guys will be seeing in future videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.